Are you looking for the best pool skimmers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best pool skimmers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Swimline Professional Pool Rake. Last up in our search for the best pool skimmers comes a back-to-basics pool rake from Swimline, but is it any good? Depending on the type of pool you have and your fitness level, you may actively enjoy light maintenance like skimming. If so, taking the hands-on approach with this rake might not give you the same speed of results and effortlessness of an automatic skimmer, but you'll save a great deal of money and you won't need to worry about running costs or maintenance. The frame of the skimmer is made from a rugged molded plastic and should return plenty of faithful service. The net, on the other hand, doesn't feel as robustly made. Several users complain about this weak spot on an otherwise solid skimmer. The spacious bag means you can scoop up larger debris without needing to constantly empty out the skimmer. From leaves to twigs to insects, you'll keep your swimming pool mercifully free of all flotsam and jetsam without straining yourself. Even though you'll need to put in more physical effort than you would with an automatic skimmer, this rake is great value, and it's also light enough to use for extended periods without fatiguing yourself. Moving on at number 4. We have the Triluca Pool Skimmer. Next up is another efficient manual skimmer for all those who don't object to putting in a little elbow grease when cleaning the pool. Like all manual skimmers, you are getting a glorified pole on a net. While it sounds simple, this is all you need to keep debris from sullying the water in your new pool. The net is made from triple-stitched nylon. The stitching and seams on nets are always the weak point, but you have reinforcement here where it counts. Unlike many larger skimmers, this small handheld net also works well in spas, ponds, and hot tubs, giving you an extremely versatile addition to your toolshed at a very competitive price. Despite the compact and lightweight nature of this skimmer, the 14-inch opening gives you plenty of scope for capturing debris. Made on home turf in the USA, you can buy with complete confidence knowing you'll enjoy crystal clear water in your pool year-round. While this is a relatively limited solution and it's no use at all for the bottom of the pool, for skimming the surface without the expense of an automatic pool skimmer, you should give this net some serious thought. At number 3, we have the Stargoods Pool Skimmer. Stargoods serves up a simple but surprisingly effective manual pool skimmer that picks up large and small debris before it goes barreling into your pool filter. How does this model fare in a crowded field? Well, this skimmer might not be the cheapest option at your disposal, but ask yourself how your experience has been with the cheapest pool gear. If you dig slightly deeper for this model, you'll be rewarded by a rock-solid build that means you won't be looking for a new pool skimmer each season. There's little more tiresome than continually replacing defective gear. The rounded edges of this skimmer won't scratch and scuff the surfaces of your pool. What could be worse than damaging your precious investment when all you're trying to do is keep the water clean? The large mesh of the bag allows you to comprehensively clean your pool in a single pass rather than scurrying back and forth emptying it. Despite the images in the product listing featuring a telescopic pole, this doesn't come included. The skimmer is a universal fit for all such poles, so make provision separately and you won't strain your back while you're skimming leaves. At number 2, we have the SkimmerMotion Pool Skimmer. The SkimmerMotion store is packed with alluring pool equipment that's designed to make your life easier without bankrupting you. How does this skimmer stand up, then? Now, this is an add-on device that's intended to work in tandem with your pool vacuum. You should find the skimmer is compatible with the bulk of pool vacs, but you should check with the manufacturer's list before committing to purchase. You'll also need a pool pump rated at 1 HP or above for best results. As your pool vacuum moves throughout the pool doing its work, the skimmer will run in parallel, sucking up the debris and accessing the places that your vac can't reach. The core aim of this skimmer is to clarify your pool by removing all the tiny particles of debris from it. You can eliminate particles smaller than 1 inch, but this skimmer is not meant for removing larger pieces of debris. You can also use this skimmer to remove rogue surface particles from your pool water without being forced to rely on chemicals. Connect this directly to your pool's suction pump and consider bundling the optional suction side cleaner to get an immaculate pool without needing to get up off your pool lounger. And finally at number 1. We have the Pro Tuff Pool Net. Next up comes another slick and efficient pool skimmer from the Pro Tuff Products store. How does this unit stand and fall, then? This is a manual rake measuring 19.5 inches, making it a neat fit for skimming both large and small pieces of debris. The frame is made from lightweight yet durable aluminum alloy. It won't bend, it won't twist, and it won't break under sustained use. The frame is tightly secured by the winged handle, giving you even greater lifespan. At the business end of this skimmer, you get a double-stitched nylon bag that's built to withstand plenty of harsh treatment, pool chemicals, and UV rays. The plastic rim is expressly designed so it doesn't scratch up the surface of your pool as you're skimming. Not all pool owners like the idea of needing to manually skim a pool, but if you don't mind getting hands-on with pool maintenance, this is one of the most intelligently designed manual skimmers out there, so what are you waiting for? If you're still in any doubt, this skimmer is covered by a no-quibbles lifetime guarantee. If anything goes amiss at any stage, the manufacturer has your back with no questions asked. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.